This week in London, Huawei unveiled the Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, and the Porsche designed Mate 20 RS. And not long after they became official, came this announcement: one more big thing. This phone, the Mate 20X. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. While Huawei doesn't necessarily have gaming in their DNA as ASUS or Razer, they are pretty serious about building a gaming smartphone. They're even taking on the Nintendo Switch. But does the Huawei Mate 20X have what it takes? This is our unboxing and hands-on. Let's start. Like the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, the Mate 20X comes in this black box with its name engraved and foil stamped on its lid. I'm sure you're here to see what's inside, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Here it is, the Mate 20X. There's only one word to describe it, and it's huge. In usual GadgetMatch fashion, let's set aside this for now and see what else is inside the box. Another box with a SIM ejector tool and manuals, and a jelly case, a supercharged wall adapter, supercharged USB-C cable, and a pair of headphones. Now, back to the phone. Let's peel this plastic off. What we have here is the Mate 20X in midnight blue, but it also comes in phantom silver. Both colors get the hyper-optical pattern that offers a little bit more grip and shows smudges a little bit less. It adopts the design of the Mate 20, fingerprint sensor on its back, and a dewdrop notch here up front. But it sports the more advanced camera setup of the Mate 20 Pro. And you also get a colored power button over here. What makes the Mate 20X different from those two, however, is how big its display is. 7.2 inches to be exact. Still clueless? Here's how it looks beside the Mate 20 Pro. It's really big. Of course, a big phone with a big display requires much more power, which is why Huawei packed a much bigger battery in here compared to the already large capacities in the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. Another thing that's different, the Mate 20 Pro comes with a headphone jack, a rarity in high-end smartphones in 2018. As this is meant to be a gaming smartphone, it comes with the new Kirin 980, which makes this phone fast, powerful, and highly efficient. Like a true gaming device, there's a built-in cooling system inside the Mate 20X to prevent overheating even at full throttle. It's worth noting that this is the first time that graphene has been used to cool a smartphone. Other times, it's either copper or some other form of metal. Huawei is also selling this controller separately that attaches to the top of the device. Once you snap it in, a Bluetooth connection is triggered and both devices start working together. This helps simulate a more console-like mobile gaming experience like on the Nintendo Switch. Take a look at me playing a little bit of PUBG. The Huawei Mate 20X will be available starting October 26 for less than 900 euros. Right after the launch, we spoke to Huawei CEO Richard Yu, and he tells us that the phone will be available in China and some parts of Asia, although there were no specific mentions of which country. So if you feel that the Huawei Mate 20X is your gadget match, you better start asking Huawei to bring it to your country. And that was our Huawei Mate 20X hands-on. What do you think about this phone? Is it the ultimate gaming smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below. We still have more videos coming from London, including the Porsche designed Huawei Mate 20 RS. If you want to see that video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post that video. Follow us on social media and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.